Title: The Tale of China's Heartbeat. In the heart of bustling Shanghai, where skyscrapers pierced the clouds and the streets buzzed with the rhythm of life, there existed a quaint tea house nestled amidst the modern chaos. It was here, amidst the aroma of brewing tea and the gentle melodies of traditional music, that the tale of China's heartbeat unfolded. At the helm of the tea house stood Liang, a wise and weathered man whose eyes held the secrets of generations past. With a gentle smile and a kind demeanor, he welcomed patrons from all walks of life, each seeking solace in the sanctuary of his tea house. Among the regular visitors was Mei, a spirited young woman whose laughter echoed through the halls like a melody in the wind. With her vibrant personality and boundless curiosity, she was a ray of sunshine in the lives of those around her. From the moment their eyes first met across the wooden tables of the tea house, a connection sparked between Liang and Mei, a bond that transcended time and space. Though separated by generations and circumstances, their souls danced to the same rhythm, each beat echoing the longing in their hearts. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Liang and Mei found themselves drawn together by a force stronger than fate itself. Their conversations lingered long into the night, their words flowing like the tea that filled their cups, each sip a testament to the depth of their connection. But beneath the surface of their blossoming love lay a shadow, a secret that threatened to tear them apart. Liang carried a burden that he could not shake, a promise made long ago to protect the legacy of his ancestors at any cost. As Mei delved deeper into the mysteries surrounding Liang's past, she uncovered truths that shook her to the core. Bound by duty and honor, Liang had sacrificed his own happiness for the sake of his family's legacy, a burden he bore with silent resignation. Determined to break free from the chains of tradition, Mei vowed to stand by Liang's side, to rewrite the story of their love against all odds. Together, they embarked on a journey of self-discovery, each step a testament to the power of love to conquer even the deepest of wounds. Through trials and tribulations, Liang and Mei forged a bond that transcended the boundaries of time and space, their love an eternal flame that burned bright amidst the shadows of doubt and fear. And as they stood hand in hand beneath the moonlit sky, the tea house a silent witness to their undying love, Liang and Mei knew that their story was just beginning, a tale of China's heartbeat echoing through the ages, a testament to the power of love to conquer all.